Hello guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. So today Saturday, so everyone know we trade in Bitcoin, OTC or JPY, etc. OTC trades. So let's see. First we open Olymp Trade because Olymp Trade is a very best option for binary trading. So first we open that, and that again we do anything, trade, analyze, etc. So here we go. Odd or USD OTC trade are open. So it's $1,000, but no, we change the trade $500. So let's see. First $500 buy, second $500 buy, third $500 buy. So please analyze chart, then second we trade. So everyone know there is a downward trend, but I thought that market gone upward trend, so that's why I trade $500 three time. So that's why we trade in $1,500. So let's see, our two trades in profit and one trade also in zero, not loss but zero. Oh, now here in loss. So here we go guys. So let's see, wait and watch what happened there. So again, yeah, buy candle up. Okay, market gone up down, so that's the problem. So here we go, market downward trend, so no, it's a very big down. Let's see, again $500 buy. Oh, our one trade close in loss, second trade close in loss, third trade close in loss. It's a very big loss, bro. We change a trade. We change Bitcoin, bro. Sorry. So first trade gone to sell. Okay, let's see. Now let's see that one. Again we are in loss. So so here we go. Again Bitcoin talks. Today's bad day, I thought, so that's why I'm leaving. Again $500 loss. So it's very impossible, bro. Today is very dangerous day. So let's see guys, here we one trade in profit and also three trades in loss. So that's why guys, we are in loss. So it's a very possible things, we only have $2,000. So we trade, we very secureful. So 1 2 3, okay, it's a little bit profit, so we can't need little bit, we need more big profit. So we trade in $1,000 per trade. So let's see, first buy. Okay, let's see what happened there. Okay guys, only 40 seconds we have. If that trade can be lost, so we are in big loss and we have zero money in account. So that's very important for our, only $41 we have. If we lose, so we have only $41. So that's why it's last trade. I thought today we lost very big amount for, it's a very big amount. No, market gone upward trend. Again loss, bro. Today is very bad day. Leave a like guys, if you are new, so please like, subscribe and also comment. Your comments needs my supports. So anyway, leave it. Huh. So I need your support, so please comment me, because your comments help me for more strategies, more methods for you. So please remember me in your prayers and remember me in your strategies, methods or etc. So only 15 seconds. That's the last trade. So we are in big loss. So I thought we again trade in $500 last trade today. Oh no. Again we do sell. So let's see. Okay. Start in minus. We are in big loss, bro, today. Today is very bad day. Only 1 minute candle. Let's see. I predict sell, but market gone upward. I thought market can be changed easily, but it's a very big loss. So anyway, leave a like guys. And if you like my strategies, so please follow me. Only 25 seconds. $500 loss. In 6 minutes, we lost $10,000. It's a very big amount, bro. Again, we lost 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a very big loss. So, see you guys again tomorrow. So, bye bye, guys. And if you like, if you're new, so please like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more updates. Have a nice day, guys.